Hello friends, today we study about a logic gate. Digital electronics is a branch of electronics which deals with only two state, that is on and off. On state it's called logic 1 and off state it called as logic 0. In mathematics the term logic means and, or, NAND and NOR logic function. A logic gate has one output and two or more inputs. Depending upon the inputs, it produces high or low output. A gate receives binary inputs and produce output which depends upon the input and the function intended for it. For simplicity, in designing and understanding of digital system, each gate has assigned a symbol. There are many types of symbols depending on function they perform. Logic gate is a basic building block of digital circuits. The logic gate accepts inputs and give outputs only two state, 0 and 1. Each gate has a distinct graphic symbol and its operation can be described by means of an algebraic expression. There are two types of logic are possible. One is positive logic and second one is negative logic. In positive logic, high voltage represent a logic 1 and low voltage represent a logic 0. We already mentioned that it is a digital electronics. So for the representation of logic 1 we use a 5 volt and for the representation of logic 0 we use a 0 volt. So in positive logic we consider the logic 1 for high voltage and logic 0 for low voltage. In contrast, negative logic has high voltage representation for logic 0 and low voltage representation for a logic 1. There are three basic gates, OR, AND NOT. We focus on OR gate. OR gate is a logic gate whose output is 1 if any one or both inputs are 1. Symbol of OR gate is shown in following figure. This figure shows that it has two inputs A and B and it produces a single output Y, and the equation of Y is equal to A plus B. So those plus indicate that A or B. Boolean equation of the OR gate is represented as Y is equal to A plus B. And now we focus on truth table of OR gate. Here we consider the two inputs A and B and single output Y is equal to A plus B. If we consider the two inputs A and B, 0 0, second combination 0 1, third combination 1 0 and last combination is 1 1. Depending on the combination, output Y has been produced. So here in first combination we say that A equal to 0, B equal to 0, so we get the output as Y equal to 0. When we apply A equal to 0, B equal to 1, one of the input is 1, so the output of Y is become 1. Again in next combination A equal to 1 and B equal to 0, so the output of OR gate is 1. And if both input A and B is 1, then output of Y is equal to 1. Now we focus on second gate, AND gate. AND gate is a logic gate whose output is 1 only when both its inputs are 1. Symbol of AND gate is shown in following figure. Here we say that it again has the two inputs A and B and the output is single Y is equal to A dot B. Now here what we consider, AND gate is a logic gate whose output is 1 only when both its inputs are 1. It means when A equal to 1 and B equal to 1, that time we get the output Y is equal to 1 rather than we get the output as 0. So the Boolean equation of the AND gate is Y is equal to A dot B, and the truth table is shown in following figure. Here we consider the two inputs A and B and the output Y is equal to A dot B. Again the two inputs has the combination 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So here we consider that when A equal to 0, B equal to 0, we get the output 0. In second combination we say A equal to 0, B equal to 1, we get the output 0. In third combination A equal to 1, B equal to 0, again we get the output 0, and only when A equal to 1, B equal to 1, we get the output as 1. So this is nothing but the truth table of AND gate. Now we focus on NOT gate. The NOT gate or inverter is a logic gate having one input and one output. So the NOT gate is also called as inverter, and it only has one inputs and one output. The output of inverter is complement of the input. Symbol of NOT gate is shown in following figure. Here we say that NOT gate has only single input A, and the output of inverter or the NOT gate is nothing but the complement of the input. So we representing as A complement. So the equation of the NOT gate is Y is equal to A bar. Truth table is shown in following figure. We say that input is nothing but the A and output is nothing but the Y is equal to A bar. So if we apply the input 0, we get the output 1 because it is the complement of the input, and when we apply the input 1, we get the output as a 0. Now we focus on the next gate, which is nothing but the derived gates. The basic gates can be combined to perform other important logic operations like NAND, NOR, XOR and XNOR gates. So these are called as derived gates. Now we focus on NAND gate. A NAND gate, as its name indicate, it is a combination of AND gate with an NOT gate. So the output of NAND gate will be complement of output of AND gate. The output of AND gate is A dot B. Therefore the output of NAND gate will be A dot B complement. NAND gate can be obtained by cascade connection of an AND gate followed by a NOT gate as shown in following figure. So here if you observe the figure, this figure shows that the output of AND gate is applied as an input to the inverter, and due to this we get the output as Y is equal to A dot B complement. So here we say we have the two inputs A and B. For the AND gate we get the equation X is equal to A dot B, and this output is applied to the NOT gate. So due to this the output is become Y is equal to A dot B complement. Symbol of NAND gate is shown in following figure. It has two inputs A and B, and we get the output Y is equal to A dot B complement. So this bubble indicate that it is the inverter representation. That means the output of AND gate is complemented and put to the output. Now we focus on truth table of NAND gate. Truth table of NAND gate shows two inputs A and B, and output Y is equal to A dot B complement. So here when we apply A equal to 0, B equal to 0, we get the output for A dot B is nothing but the 0 and its complement is 1. Again we apply the next input A equal to 0, B equal to 1. So again 0 into 1 is become 0, and the complement of this is nothing but the Y is equal to 1. Again we apply A equal to 1, B equal to 0. Again we make the multiplication 1 into 0, so we get the output 0, and the complement of 0 is again become 1. So the output of NAND gate is become 1 for A equal to 1, B equal to 0. And now the last combination is A equal to 1, B equal to 1. So the multiplication is become 1 and the complement of 1 is become 0. So the output of NAND gate is become 0. Now we focus on the second gate, which is nothing but the NOR gate. Again, as the name indicate, it is the combination of OR gate with a NOT gate. The output of an OR gate is A plus B. Therefore the output of an NOR gate will be A plus B complement. The NOR gate can be obtained by cascade connection of OR gate followed by NOT gate as shown in following figure. So here we representing the diagram, we put the one OR gate here. OR gate has the two inputs A and B, and it produces the output X is equal to A plus B. This output is applied as an input to the NOT gate or inverter, and we get the output Y is equal to A plus B complement. So the symbol of NOR gate is shown in following figure. So the change of OR gate symbol and the NOR gate symbol is only the bubble is present in NOR gate. Again it has two inputs A and B, and we get the output y is equal to A plus B whole complement. The Boolean equation of NOR gate is y is equal to A plus B whole complement. Now we focus on truth table. Again truth table has two inputs A and B, and the output y is equal to A plus B complement. We apply A equal to 0, B equal to 0. 0 plus 0 is become 0 and its complement is become 1. So the output y is become 1. For next combination we put A equal to 0, B equal to 1. 0 plus 1 is become 1 and its complement is become 0. So y is equal to 0. Again we apply A equal to 1, B equal to 0. 1 plus 0 is become 1. So the output y has the complement of 1, so it become 0. Again we apply A equal to 1, B equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is become 1, and now output of y is become 0. So in this way we get the truth table for NOR gate. Now we focus on the next gate, which is nothing but the XOR gate. An XOR gate is a special case of general OR gate. In general OR gate, either input A or B or both must be 1 to get output 1. But in XOR gate, the situation is slightly different. That is, either A or B, but not both should be 1 for getting 1 at the output. In this, output will be 0 when both the inputs are 1. The XOR gate is enabled with odd number of ones at the input and disable with even number of ones at the input. It means that XOR gate is become enable only when the number of inputs contain odd number of ones, and it become disable only when the number of inputs contain even number of ones. Now the output of XOR gate is given by y is equal to A bar dot B plus B bar dot A, or we say y is equal to A exclusive or B, or it also representing as y is equal to A exclusive B. Those circle with positive sign is called as the A exclusive B. Now the Boolean equation y is equal to A exclusive B, and this diagram indicate that the equation y is equal to A bar dot B plus B bar dot A. So here we consider the two input A and B. When we apply those A with AND gate and the second input is applied to the NOT gate, so B is become B complement, and at the output of AND gate one input is A and second input is B bar, so we get the output as A dot B bar. So again here what we apply, A is applied to the inverter, so it become A complement, and the B is applied as it is to the AND gate, so the output equation of AND gate is become A bar dot B. So these two output of AND gate first and AND gate second is applied as an input to the OR gate, so we get the output y is equal to A bar dot B plus A dot B bar. Symbol of XOR gate is shown in following figure. This figure shows that exclusive OR gate has two inputs A and B and produce the output y is equal to A exclusive B. Now we focus on the truth table. Again it has two inputs A, B, and y is nothing but the output. We apply the combination A equal to 0, B equal to 0. We already mentioned that in exclusive OR gate the output is only become 1 when odd number of ones is applied. So now what we consider here, we does not have the any ones, so the output is become 0. Now we apply A equal to 0, B equal to 1. So here the odd number of ones is present, so the output is become 1. Again A equal to 1, B equal to 0 indicate that odd number of ones, and so the output y is become 1. Again we apply A equal to 1, B equal to 1. So the number of ones is become 2. It is the even number, so its output is become 0. So this is nothing but the truth table of exclusive OR gate. Now we focus on the next gate, which is nothing but the exclusive NOR gate. The exclusive NOR gate is a special case of general NOR gate. In NOR gate, either input A or B or both must be 1 in order to should be 1 for getting 0 at the output. In this case, the output will be 1 when both the inputs are 1. The XNOR gate enables with an even number of ones at the input and odd number of ones at input disable the XNOR gate. The output of XNOR gate is given by y is equal to a bar dot b plus b bar dot a total complement, or we say y is equal to a exclusive NOR b, or we also write as y is equal to a exclusive b total complement. Symbol of XNOR gate is shown in following figure. So it shows that it is the complement of exclusive OR gate. So this bubble indicates that it is the complement representation. It has two inputs A and B and only one output y is equal to A exclusive B total complement. Truth table of XNOR gate is shown here. We already mentioned that it has only two inputs A and B and the single output y. When we apply the input 0 0, we get the output 1. Now when we apply A equal to 0, B equal to 1, the number of ones is become odd, therefore it produces the output 0. Again for A equal to 1, B equal to 0, we get the output 0 because number of ones in input is odd. And when we apply A equal to 1, B equal to 1, we get the output as 1 in exclusive NOR gate. That is, it is exactly opposite of the exclusive OR gate. This exclusive OR gate and exclusive NOR gate is purposefully used to identify a parity bit. It means when the number of ones is odd, exclusive OR gate produces the output 1, and whenever the number of ones even, it produces the output 0. It indicates that to maintain odd parity or even parity, we use exclusive OR gate or exclusive NOR gate. In this way, we study a logic gate. Thank you.